Hey guys, it is Heather with BP for You. Today I'm going to show you how to add an animal overlay to your photos using PicMonkey. These ones that I'm going to use is a bunny from the Spring Overlay Bundle. I will link that for you as well so you can get the entire package. So our first step is going to be to add our photo into PicMonkey. So to do that, we can either use the computer method, which is where we search manually, or drag and drop your image to edit. I prefer the drag and drop. I find it quicker. So you're just going to go into your folder that has your image, click on it, and drag it into the square. When you see that the square is highlighted in the blue, then you can just let go. So once that's done, it's going to pop up and it's going to give you the option to rename it or add it to which collection. I don't use different collections, so I just leave it with unsorted and with the image name that it already has. Then from there, you'll hit create and it will load your image. Once it's loaded, you'll see it right here. I prefer to move any of the pop-ups over just so that I don't have to have them in the way. All you need to do that is just click and drag. So I find normally when you're doing this, I don't need any of this side, so I just use that. So the next step to add our overlay is going to be to come in to our folder that has our overlay in it, click, and again, drag it right on. So this one's a little bit different because you have two options. You can drop the image here to edit, or you can drop the image to add to current image. If you just do the drop image here to edit, then it's going to completely replace the photo and it's only going to have the bunny. If you do the drop image to add to current image, then that will add it to this photo. So we're going to do that today. Once you have it highlighted again, you're just going to let go and it will add it to your image. So you'll see here that the graphics come up. I just again move that over to the side because I'm not going to need the whole screen, and that's just over where I can use it on the side. So you'll have your bunny and you'll see that he's a lot bigger than the girl is. So we obviously need to adjust that. What you're going to do is you're going to hit and hold down your shift key and then drag down the corner. The reason that we do this is because then it keeps it in proportion, but it's still moving it and making it smaller. So once you have it, you're going to click and then drag it wherever you prefer. So I'm going to leave it right here just that I can see the girl and I can see the bunny, but it's still cute in the photo. So you're going to notice that the legs that we're seeing here need to be a little bit blurred out because they are on top of the grass right now and we need them to be in the grass. So you're going to click on your rabbit again and you're going to go to erase. So I usually move my hardness up to about 65%, and then I'm going to change my size down just because the bunny's feet are pretty little. So what you're going to do from there is you're just going to erase a little bit here. So then as time goes on, you'll just erase the hardness a little bit just so it adds in and it looks more natural. You can also erase the strength, which will make it so that it's a little bit blurred and a little bit gone, but not completely. So, as you can see, I took out a little bit more than I wanted to just because I was showing you how to do different things. So in order to put it back on, you're going to click onto the paintbrush right here. You're going to, again, move this up. And all you have to do is just go back and, again, paint it on. And that will put it exactly where it is. So you can kind of play around here with your strength and your hardness until you get exactly what you're looking for. So I'm going to do this so my bunny is still in there and still a little bit out. You can see a little bit of his foot. And there you go, you have a perfectly blended bunny. Thanks, guys.